Hey guys, today we're gonna be working on number 1200, which is minimum absolute difference. Given an array of distinct integers, find all pairs of elements with the minimum absolute difference of any two elements. Return a list of pairs in ascending order. Each pair A, B follows. A, B are from the array A less than B. B minus A equals to the minimum absolute difference of any two elements in the array. So example 1, we have 4, 2, 1, 3. The output is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. The minimum difference is 1. Example 2, we have 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. The output is the pair 1, 3, and the minimum difference is 2. So how to solve this problem? First, we need to sort the array. Then we need to create a variable that would be used for the min difference, and we assign it the float INF, which is the biggest number in Python. Then here we need to return the result array. We need to create the result array. Now here we loop for I in range length array minus 1. Now here, since we already have the array sorted, so then for example, in example 1, we would be having 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we get the difference, which would be equal to array I plus 1 minus I. So here we're doing 2 minus 1, which would be 1. Now here we check if this difference is less than the min underscore difference. So if less than min underscore diff, then we assign it, and we also add our first pair to the result array, so equal, and here we would be adding our first pair, which would be array I plus 1 and array I. Now in the second case, when we have 2 and 3, the both variables would be having the same value. Both would be 1. So in this case, we just put else if difference equal to min underscore diff. We enter again, and now we just append the other cases. So array I and array I plus 1, and then here we just return result underscore array. And now in this case we got a mistake. In here we added the bigger number before the small number, so we just need to fix it. Now we can submit, and now we have a working solution. And as you can see, we have a working solution and it works. And as a recap, we just sorted the array, then we looped here. We got the difference between the two elements. If the difference is less than min underscore diff, we just assign it here, and then we add our first pair to the result. And then in the second iteration, we just add the other pairs, and then we just return it. And that's it. This is an easy question. Hope you guys understood the solution, and see you in the next question.